What if I told you that growing $100 into 10K is not just a dream, but a challenge I'm taking on right now? No demos, no screenshots, just real trading, real risk, and full transparency. Hi, I'm Alexander, a professional trader with over 6 years of experience, and today you're about to watch one of the boldest trading experiments I've ever done. I'm using my core strategy, MACD for entry signals, EMA for trend direction, and price action for confirmation. This isn't gamble, it's a system. But let's be honest, turning $100 into 10K won't be a smooth ride. There will be pressure, mistakes, and moments when I will have to decide risk it all or play it safe. And if you want to go beyond just watching, join my Telegram community. It's not just a place where I post results. Every day I share my live trading setups, market breakdowns, risk management tips, and exclusive trades you won't see on YouTube. Over 70K traders have already joined, beginners, pros, and everyone looking to trade smarter, not harder. No fake promises, no magic signals, just a real community growing together. The link is waiting for you in the pinned comment and description below. Don't just watch, be part of the process. Charts are loaded, MACD is set, and I'm sticking to a 30-second time frame today. I will be looking for clear MACD crossovers combined with price action near key support and resistance levels. No rush, waiting for the raw signals and staying disciplined. Let's start scanning the market. So starting with Euro USD, MACD lines are tightening below the zero line. I'm watching for a bullish crossover. Now I see it. Bullish MACD crossover and a breakout candle forming. The EMA is slightly turning upward. Looks like a good opportunity. I'm entering an up trade. Why this setup? MACD bullish crossover just below resistance, breakout confirmation with a bullish candle, EMA supporting the upward move. The trade closes in profit. That's exactly how I want to start. Clear signal, strong confirmation, and no rush into trades. So our second trade, moving to United States dollar and Japanese yen. MACD is forming bearish crossover near resistance zone. I will give it a second to see if the price confirms. Looks promising, bearish candle right at resistance and MACD lines crossing. I'm entering a down trade, but the price suddenly spikes upward after entry. Looks like a fake out. MACD flattens out right after the move. The trade closes in loss. And here's a reality check. Even the strongest looking setups can fail. That's why we stay calm and stick to our risk management plan. Scanning Great British Pound and United States dollar now. The price is pressing again a strong resistance level and MACD is curling downward just above the zero line. And I will watch how this candle closes. A strong bearish candle forms right at resistance with MACD crossing down. Looks like a perfect moment. I'm entering a down trade. Why this setup? Bearish MACD crossover right under resistance. Strong rejection candle. EMA pointing slightly downward. The trade closes in profit. That's the kind of clean entry I'm always looking for. Patience pays off. So switching to the United States dollar and franc. MACD is tightening below zero. I am waiting for a bullish crossover near a key support level. Let's see how the market reacts. There it is. Bullish crossover, bullish candle forming right on support. I'm entering an up trade. So why this setup? MACD bullish crossover at support, strong green candle breakout minor resistance, EMA slightly curving upward. The trade closes in profit. No rush, no panic, just sticking to the setup and letting the market to do its thing. Now let's look to Australian dollar and Canadian dollar. MACD lines are separating after a bullish crossover, price is pushing against resistance. I'll wait to see if it breaks out. Breakout confirmed with a solid bullish candle. I'm entering an up trade. Why this setup? MACD confirming with strong separation, bullish breakout candle, EMA slopping upward. Trade closes in profit. When everything aligns like this, that's when confidence grows with every trade. Switching over to Euro and Japanese yen, MACD shows a bullish crossover forming, price is testing a breakout level. I'm watching closely for confirmation. A bullish candle breaks above and I'm entering an up trade. But right after the entry, the price pulls back sharply. MACD starts flattening out, clear false breakout. Trade closes in loss. That's why you can't force the market. Not every breakout holds. We stay focused and stick to the plan. Look into GBP Japanese yen now. MACD is crossing downward near resistance zone and a bearish engulfing candle appears. I will wait for a few seconds. Confirmed. Strong bearish momentum and with MACD divergence, I'm entering a downward trade. Why this setup? Bearish MACD crossover plus divergence. Strong bearish candle, EMA following the move down, and the trade closes in profit. That's how you finish strong, sticking to confirm signals after a loss. That wraps up today's session. We've seen it all. Strong wins, sudden losses, and everything in between. And that's exactly what trading is. A mix of strategy, patience, and emotional control. Out of 7 trades, we've secured solid profits on most, and even when the market went against us, we kept our focus and following the plan. Losses will happen, that's part of the trader's journey. But the difference between winning and losing traders is this. The winners never chase, never panic, and always stay disciplined. If you found value in this session, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with a friend who needs this mindset. And most importantly, don't miss out on my Telegram community. Over 70,000 traders are already there, learning, growing, and trading together with me. The link is waiting for you in the pinned comment and description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next trading session.